All right, we got a 2005 Ford Escape here. Today I'm replacing the Bank 1 Sensor 2, which is it's throwing off a code P2270. So I'm gonna show you where it's located and how to replace it. Go underneath. This is your oil pan. It's gonna be that sensor right there. Now this one's a little stuck, so my my O2 sensor socket doesn't work. It's stripping the bolt. It started stripping this side right here. And first, let me show you where the connector is at. So if you follow this wiring harness, it's gonna be right here, and it's hooked up to that. It's on the side of the engine, so it's hooked up to that. To unplug it, you got a tab that you pull down, you push down, and then you yank it. Now the trick that I use to remove the sensor, like I said, the regular O2 sensor socket that I have, when I started putting torque into it, it started, you see the nut? Started stripping it. So what I did is I used a wrench like this. You see my setup right there. Let me try to zoom in like that. I took a little bit off. I took that plastic piece here, so I just cut that off and I slid the wrench right here. So I locked it in place, and then I just held it in place and I hammered it a few times and it loosened it. And I sprayed WD-40 in there too. So right now we have it out, and we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Yep. The new sensor that I have is from Amazon. It's got good reviews, so I went ahead and bought it. This is the new one. This is the old one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it, reset the light, take it for a test drive, and see if that fixes it. If you like my videos, please subscribe. If you got any questions, please comment below. Click like on the video. I'll see you next time. Thank you.